बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सादकैन एजुकेशन सर्विसेज। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। How are you, students? I hope you all are good and safe at home. Class Junior KG, subject English, topic and spelling of Monday. Workbook page number 80. English copy. All of you take out your English copy. Okay, student. First mention the date here. 7/12/2020. Write HW here. This is your revision work. We have already done. Write A or an. Today's topic is write A or an. First of all, look at the first word. B. B. First letter is B. B is consonant. As you know all that we put A before consonant. I repeated, we put A before consonant. As you know that A is used with words beginning with consonant, and an is used before the vowel. As you know that vowels are, how many vowels are? There are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. Say with me. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. Okay. Boy. Boy. Apple. Apple. Say with me. Orange. Orange. Fan. Egg. Ink pot. Umbrella. Box. Learn the spelling of boy. B-O-Y. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Come to the next spelling. Egg. E-double-G. Egg. Ink pot. I-N-K-P-O-T. Ink pot. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-double-L-A. Umbrella. B-O-X. Box. Now, look at the first letter. B. Look at the first letter. B. What will we use here? Yes, A. A boy. A boy. Say with me. A boy. Come to the next spelling. What is the first letter? A. A. What is the first letter? A. So what will we use here? Yes, N. N. We will use here N. Spelling of boy. B-O-Y. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Come to the next spelling. Egg. E-double-G. Egg. Inkpot. I-N-K-P-O-T. Inkpot. Umbrella. Here an apple. Come to the next spelling. What is the first letter? O. O. So we will use here an orange. An orange. Sorry. An orange. An orange. Come to the next spelling. Fan. Fan. What is the first letter? F. So we will use here A. A fan. A fan. Come to the next spelling. Egg. What is the first letter? E. So what will we use here? Yes. An egg. An egg. Come to the next. Inkpot. What is the first letter? Yes. What will we use here? A or an? This is consonant or vowel? Yes. This is vowel. So we use here an. Umbrella. Umbrella. What is the first letter? U. U. U is consonant or vowel? Very good. It's a vowel. So we use here an. An umbrella. Come to the next spelling. Box. Box. What is the first letter? B. B. B is the consonant or vowel? Yes, it's a consonant. So we use here A. Say with me. A boy. A boy. Repeat after me, all of you. A boy. An apple. An apple. An orange. An orange. A fan. A fan. An egg. An egg. An inkpot. An inkpot. An umbrella. An umbrella. A box. A box. Learn these spellings. B-O-Y. Boy. A boy. B-O-Y. Boy. A boy. Come to the next spelling. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. An apple. An apple. Orange. O-R-A-N Orange. Say with me. ORANGE. Orange. An orange. An orange. Fan. 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 A fan. A fan. EGG. 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 Say with me. EGG. Egg. An egg. An egg. Ink pot. INK. Ink. POT. Pot. Ink pot. Repeat after me. INK. POT. Pot. Ink pot. An ink pot. An ink pot. Umbrella. 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 An umbrella. An umbrella. Box. 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 A box. A box. After me. A boy. A boy. A boy. An apple. An apple. An apple. An orange. An orange. A fan. Say with me. A fan. A fan. An egg. An egg. An ink pot. An ink pot. An umbrella. An umbrella. Repeat after me. A box. A box. A boy. An apple. An orange. A fan. An egg. An ink pot. An umbrella. A box. बेटा ये आप लोगों को घर में एक्सरसाइज करनी है, ठीक है? रीड इट एंड learn it again and again. Now take out your English word book. Page number 80. First mention the date here. First mention the date here. 7/12/2020 and write HW and day Monday. How many days are there in a week, students? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, now. What is the spelling of Monday? MONDAY. 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 आप लोगों को जस्ट मंडे की स्पेलिंग यहाँ पे राइट करनी है. M O N D A Y. Monday. Okay, beta. Learn this spelling Monday and write here. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.